Hey YouTube, it's Sean. We're going to work on this air conditioner right here. It had a fan failure yet again. Alright, let me bring it around back here and show you. I tried to fix it with last time, but as you can see, yeah, it kind of chowdered itself, blew itself apart. So yeah, let's get in there, see what we can do. Hang on. Alright YouTube, sorry about the shaky cam and the shadows. I'm gonna bring you over on the other side, maybe you can see a little better, don't know. We got her apart, same as last time. This time it's way worse. That fan wheel, that squirrel cage fan came completely unglued. Left plenty of remnants of its visitation. So, doesn't look like anything's hurt except for the suspect. So, we're going to clean it again. These things, no matter what you do, they collect this. I've had filters on them and they still collect. There's nothing you can do, but they're easy to get apart and you can clean them anytime you need to. So let's attack that and see what we can find. Hang on. Well folks, we got it out. Yeah, and as I expected, it chewed it. Definitely did. So I'm on the hunt for one of these. Yep. Or something that we can use. So let's see what we can come up with. We'll bring you back. Alright guys, we got it cleaned up. No, we didn't get it cleaned up yet. We got it plugged in. I ended up taking apart another one that was junk and for parts, and I got the wheels out of it, what we needed. But I had to do a little bit of work on the back side to get it to clear, but it's clearing and it's running. So all we got to do now is clean it up and put it back together, guys. We'll be back. Alright guys, now the fun begins. I gotta clean up that, take anything off I want, recycle the rest, and clean up all the tools. And I got a ton of screws out of that old one. That one there. A ton of screws. And clean up the mess. That's the biggest part. That's more of a job than actual fixing it. Look at all those blades, man. There's a massive amount of them. It just killed that wheel. It's alright, we fixed it. Let's show you. Well, there it is, guys, in working service again. Works good, no noises. Putting out good cold air. Total cost $10. That's what I gave for that old one out there. So took a $300 air conditioner and saved it. Alright, take it easy guys, love y'all. Sore thumbs up. Bye bye.